round 1 na tayo dito sa ating Kitchen Smackdown. At ang maglalaban dito ay sina Chef Nino and Chef Percy. So, simulan na natin. Ang paglalaban nila ay starter course. Let's begin.
Okay, my dish will be a seafood pancake with carrot sarnies reduction. First, we have to juice the carrots. Then, may sarnies siya. Reduce dapat low heat para hindi siya mag-split. Then, you put the heads of the prawns para medyo ma-infuse yung flavor. Then, meron ng ready crepe. I-mix lang natin yung ingredients natin. I'll be using just sea bass and prawns. Spring onions, tarragon, a little bit of garlic, and onions. And then meron tayong cream cheese. Mimix lang natin siya. Mag-mix rin tayo ng konting cream lang para medyo maging rich yung mixture. And then latag lang yung crepe natin. Then you just fold natin, parang gagawa tayo ng parang pocket. Turn it over. Then we'll place it on a tray. Lalagyan natin ng butter yung tray para pag hindi siya mag-stick. And then butter ulit sa taas. Oven 350 degrees until golden brown yung top.
Alright, so it's my turn. I'm gonna be making a very simple appetizer dish. So the name of my dish is savory eggplant balls with cranberry sour cream. So let's start. I have here eggplants which I roasted. Rough chop lang siya. Roughly chop it para medyo chunky pa rin siya. We're gonna put it straight into our bowl. Just chop around mga 3 cloves ng garlic. Now we're gonna grate some cheese. So the other savory ingredient is the prosciutto di Parma or the Parma ham. So roughly chop. Add it in. Mix it again. Then I'm gonna add my herbs. I have here fresh basil, roughly chop the leaves. And I have here Italian parsley also. So chop it in. Then mix it around. Then I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs. And for our binder, I'm gonna add 1 egg. Okay. And mix it around. Finally, I'm gonna season it with Aji Ginisa all-purpose seasoning mix. Basta lutong Pinoy, do it all with Aji Ginisa. Okay? See? So kahit na anong dish na ginagawa, you can actually season it with Aji Ginisa. Pwede siyang gamitin sa soup, pwede siyang gamitin sa mga sauces, or for this one, itong mga yung mga balls. Gumagawa ko ng eggplant balls. Then we're ready to fry our eggplant balls. I'm just gonna make around 3 since it's just an appetizer. Chuck it into your hot oil. We're just gonna wait for it to brown. See? Nice. Okay, so let's take out our eggplant balls. And now we're ready to make our cranberry sour cream. Get the sour cream. And let's get our cranberry preserve or compote. Then I'm gonna add some fresh oregano. Nice. We're ready to plate. But while I'm cleaning up, you can go back to Chef Percy's. My reduction has fully reduced. I-finish natin siya, lagyan natin ng konting butter and then konting lemon juice lang. Sauce muna sa bowl natin. Layer natin muna. Then, kunin na natin sa oven yung pancake. Careful lang kasi mainit. And kunin lang natin itong patong na sa taas. Little bit of lemon juice, but konti lang. And then, garnishan lang natin ng green sa taas para may color din siya. Then, sprinkle with spring onions. So this is my seafood pancake with carrot sarnies reduction. So let's get some of our cranberry sour cream and place it on our plate. So in there. A little dollop on top. A little dollop lang. Because I want to garnish this with my basil leaves. So I need an adhesive. 1, 3. You can even add some more cheese around. And we're done. So here's my savory eggplant balls with cranberry sour cream.
So, Chef, anong dish ang gusto niyo unahin?
Try natin.
That one first?
Yeah. Calm down. So,
How is it?
Chef Diggy?
great job.
Thank you
Great
very much.
job. Let's try on the dish with Mr. Chef Turkey's. Let's just work it out. Medyo tight ang laban na to. Which one? Aggressive taste. Nice texture. The sauce is good. Texture for this one for your seafood. Really good, also fantastic. Well, let me just enjoy this for you guys, okay? Congratulations. Good job.
Alright, up next, Chef Misha and Chef Angelo will tickle your taste buds. Abangan niyo yung pagbalik ng Katok, Lutong Barkada.